Learn how to convert Microsoft Word document with this simple but detailed tutorial. The first thing to begin with is I have this particular document that I want to use. So I'll head over to Microsoft Word and then open it. Over here in Microsoft Word, I have this particular document called menu. I'm going to go ahead and then open this. I will be using this document for our illustration. I'll go ahead and download it on my laptop. I'll use the keyboard shortcut Command Shift S. If you are using Windows, you can use Control plus Shift plus S, and then it will be downloaded for you. I'll go ahead and say menu. Yeah, that's the name, but let me add something to differentiate that. And it's going to be on my desktop, and I'm saving it as a Word document. Then click on save. I'll go ahead and close this or minimize this, and I have it here. Okay, so I have it here. I'm going to just put it right here, somewhere here. And then open a new browser. So over here, I'm using Google Chrome. You can use any browser of your choice. Then you go ahead to this apps, the Google apps, then you click on it. And you navigate your mouse to Google Drive. You can only use Google Drive if you have a Google account. If you don't have a Google account, or if you are looking to create multiple accounts, I'll leave a video at the end of this video that can help you to create multiple accounts even if you have existing ones. Now that we are in Google Drive, we will go ahead and upload our file. You click on new and then select file upload. Then over here on my desktop, I will go ahead and look for that particular file, which is menu-l. Click on open. And I have it downloaded here for me. I would go ahead and click on this small icon to show the location of my file, and it says that my file is in my drive. You then navigate your mouse to this three dot that says more actions, click on it, and over here you open with Google Docs. Okay, when you click on open with Google Docs, it's going to convert your Microsoft Word document into Google Docs. Now I have this converted to Google Docs for me. You can edit this particular document to fit whatever you want to do. Okay, menu design. After you are done editing, you go over to file, then you navigate your mouse to download. Under the download section, you have various types of document formats that you can download this particular document in. So it can be in Microsoft Word, it can be in ODT, it can be in rich text format, it can be in PDF, and it can also be in plain text. So this is how you can convert your Microsoft Word document to Google Docs. If you find this video helpful, make sure to subscribe to the channel so that you don't miss out on any tutorial.